Come on, Tiger. Let's write these conditions first. So, conditions of the game are ready.
Good. Carry on. Write the program now.
Yay! Let's make a wish that you win. At least this time.
Please don't interrupt me while I'm ignoring you. Okay, here I go. Let's cover the conditions in the program one by one. If the animal in the box is a tiger, then I'll win. Next condition, if the animal in the box is a lion, then I get eaten by it. If the animal in the box is a bear, then I get torn apart by it. And if the animal in the box is an elephant, then it will crush me down. Otherwise, for all the empty boxes, I'll be safe. The variable animal in box holds tiger.
Let's run your program.
Wait, what? I cannot win the game and be safe at the same time? What went wrong?
Let's figure out. The first condition is true, so Mr. Python displays I win. Now, this condition is false. So Mr. Python ignores it and moves to the next one. Even if this condition does not apply, Mr. Python will again move on to the next condition. Here is our problem. Do you notice we have an if-else block here, Theo?
Oh, I see, because the if condition is not met. Mr. Python displays the message from the else block.
Yup, and that's why Mr. Python displays I'm safe.
But why didn't Mr. Python stop comparing as soon as it finds one that's true?
Wow, keep talking.
Like the first condition was met where the box has a tiger. So Mr. Python should have stopped right there.
You pointed out right, little boy. Mr. Python works little different. He compares each time you use the if condition.
Yep, like in this case, we have 4 ifs, and Mr. Python compared them all.
There's not much difference between Zoe and Mr. Python. So how do we solve this?
Don't worry, we can fix this with a simple elif program.